In this video, we are going to talk about two such candlestick patterns whose formation completely changes the market movement. The candlestick patterns we are going to discuss are named the morning star and the evening star. If you also want to earn money from the market, you will have to learn a lot of candlestick patterns, among which the morning star and evening star are crucial. This video is going to be very important, so watch it very carefully and without skipping, right until the end. Let's start the video. As you can see on the screen, there are two candlestick patterns visible in front of you. This is the morning star, and this is the evening star. First, let's understand the morning star candlestick pattern in detail, and after that, we will understand it on the chart. The morning star is a bullish candlestick pattern that is formed by 3 consecutive candles on the chart. The morning star candlestick pattern is seen at the bottom of the chart. When the morning star candlestick pattern forms, the market becomes bullish, meaning an uptrend begins in the market. The first candle at the bottom is a bearish candle, which represents the strength of the bearish market and indicates that heavy selling is happening in the stock. The second candle of the morning star starts forming with a gap down opening and ultimately forms like a spinning top candle. The third candle of the morning star opens and forms as a bullish candle, which represents the return of the bullish market and the weakening of the bearish market. The most important thing about the morning star candlestick pattern is that this green candle must close above 50% of the previous red candle. Let's understand the morning star candlestick pattern on the chart. Look here. These 3 candles form, meaning a morning star candle pattern is created, after which the market becomes bullish, meaning an uptrend comes into the market. Now let's find out where we need to take our entry. Guys, you can take your entry at the closing point of this green candle, and you must always place your stop loss at the opening point of the doji candle. After that, you can hold it according to your risk management. Now let's understand the evening star candlestick pattern in detail. The evening star is a bearish candlestick pattern, meaning when this candlestick pattern forms, a downtrend comes into the market. The evening star candlestick pattern is formed by 3 consecutive candles on the chart. You can see the evening star candlestick pattern at the top of the chart. The first candle of the evening star is a green, meaning bullish candle, which indicates the strength of the bullish market and shows that a lot of buying is happening in the market. The second candle of the evening star begins forming with a gap up opening and ends up looking like a spinning top candle. The third candle of the evening star is a red, meaning bearish candle, which represents the market's reversal. This candle should close below 50% of the green candle's body. Let's understand this pattern on the chart. First, the market is in a bullish trend, and as soon as the evening star candlestick pattern forms, a bearish trend comes into the market, meaning the market goes into a downtrend. Now, let's find out where you need to take your entry when the evening star candlestick pattern forms. When the evening star candlestick pattern is complete, you need to take your entry at the closing point of the green candle that forms after this red candle, and you have to keep your stop loss at the closing point of the doji candle. After that, you can hold it according to your risk management and book your profit. I hope you understood this information well. If you liked the video, then please like the video and definitely share it with your friends. And to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.